guys, welcome back to 𝐿 Chinese. I am 老師 Garia. TVB dramas are a huge part of Cantonese culture. In those dramas, some lines are simple but very powerful. Almost every Cantonese has heard these lines before.
雞蛋6隻，糖呢2茶匙。
Today, I'm not just going to teach you these lines, and I will break them down word by word, so you will really understand how Cantonese works. Number 1. 做人呢，最緊要係開心。
做人咧最緊要開心啊嘛。
做人 to be a person, to live your life. 最緊要最 most 緊要 important 最緊要 most important 係 is 開心 happy. 做人呢最緊要係開心。The most important things in life is to be happy. You might have also heard this lie. 兩個人喺埋一齊最緊要就係開心。兩個人喺埋一齊最緊要就係開心。兩個人 two people 一齊 together 喺埋一齊 be together。兩個人喺埋一齊最緊要就係開心。What matters most for two being together is to be happy. Number 2.
一家人最緊要齊齊整整。
一家人最緊要係齊齊整整。When I watch TVB dramas, I love those happy endings, especially the family reunion scenes. Yeah, I know, it's a little bit cheesy, but honestly, that is exactly what I need sometimes. 一家人 a family. 最緊要 just now we mentioned, what's that mean? Yes, the most important 係 is 齊齊整整。complete 齊 is like together 整 is like complete 齊整整 together complete all present 齊整整 is a really Cantonese feeling, so don't make excuse to skip your family gatherings next time. Your family really want you to be there. 一家人最緊要就係齊整整。The most important things for family is to be together. Number 3. 人生仲有幾多個10年啊？
人生有幾多個10年？
人生仲有幾多個10年啊？ How many decades do we really have in life? If you spend 10 years in the wrong relationship or the wrong job, and you are hesitant about whether to let go, ask yourself, 人生仲有幾多個10年啊？人生仲有幾多個10年啊？人生 life 仲有 still have 幾多 how many 個 is a classifier and a measure word 10年 10 years 人生仲有幾多個10年呢？ A little means life still have how many 10 years. Number 4. 錢冇咗咪揾過咯。錢冇咗咪揾過咯。If money is gone, just earn it again. My long-time subscriber probably know this. I went through a really difficult financial period a few years ago, and I was at the point where I almost wanted to end my life. But this sentence stayed in my head and kept pushing me forward. It means a lot to me, and I hope they will help you too. 錢冇咗咪揾過咯。錢 money 冇咗 is gone, lost. 咪咯 is a structure, means then just 揾 find. Here means 揾錢 earn money. 過 here is not a perfect tense, it means again. 錢冇咗咪揾過咯。If the money is gone, just earn it again. We can also try to use the 過 in this way. 佛山有好多好嘢食啊，我哋下次再去過咯。佛山有好多好嘢食啊，我哋下次再去過咯。There are lots of delicious food in Foshan. Let's go again next time. So here 過 it means again. Yeah, 錢冇咁重要㗎，錢冇咗咪揾過咯。Number 5. 你餓唔餓啊？我煮個麵俾你食啊。你餓唔餓啊？我煮個麵俾你食啊。Are you hungry? I will cook you some noodles. In TVB dramas, whenever someone comes home late, a family member will often say this.
肚唔肚餓啊？煮個麵你哋食嘅。
你 you 我 hungry 我 I 煮 cook 個 is the measure word for noodles. 麵 is noodles. And instant noodles is 即食麵，即食麵。Maybe you know 公仔麵，right? So 公仔麵 is a classic Hong Kong instant noodles brand. 俾你 for you 食 eat. 你餓唔餓啊？我煮個麵俾你食啊！煮麵 or 淥麵 is okay too. It means cooked noodles. 淥麵 it just use the boiled water to cook the instant noodles. You don't even need to use the stove. Number 6. In TV dramas, you will often hear this in hospital scenes. The doctor came out and say this line.
我哋盡咗力。
一定都係盡咗力㗎啦。
對唔住啊，我哋已經盡晒力㗎啦。Sorry, we have already done our best. 對唔住 ，sorry， 我哋 we 已經 already 盡晒力，ever 晒 it means all your energy, all your effort 盡晒力 tried our best 㗎啦。Gala is a final particle indicating a reminder, or it means as a matter of fact. If you tried your best but still failed your exam, you can say 我已經盡晒力㗎啦，但係都肥佬咗。肥佬 fail. I tried all my effort, but I still failed my exam. That's what we learned today. Now, even you don't totally understand this line in TVB dramas, but you can still find some familiar words inside. Which one is your favorite? Comment below and tell me. And if you want to speak Cantonese naturally, check my link above or below, and I will see you next time. Bye bye!